In a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a beautiful girl named Elena. Her beauty was the talk of the village, but what made her truly special was her love for nature. She spent her days tending to flowers and helping her neighbors with their gardens. One day, while exploring the forest, Elena stumbled upon a hidden garden. It was unlike anything she had ever seen, filled with exotic flowers and plants that shimmered in the sunlight. In the center of the garden stood an old, wise woman. "Welcome, Elena," said the woman. "I am the guardian of this garden. It is a magical place that grants one wish to those with a pure heart." Elena, astonished, thought carefully. She could wish for anything, wealth, beauty, or even fame. But she knew what she truly wanted. "I wish for my village to be as beautiful as this garden, so everyone can enjoy its beauty and be happy." The guardian smiled. "Your wish is granted because it comes from a selfless heart." When Elena returned to her village, she was amazed to see that every garden was now blooming with the same exotic flowers she had seen in the hidden garden. The village became famous for its beauty, attracting visitors from far and wide. The villagers were filled with joy and prosperity. Elena's selfless wish transformed her village, and she was celebrated not just for her outer beauty, but for the beauty of her heart. She continued to care for the gardens, spreading love and happiness wherever she went. And so, Elena and her village thrived, a testament to the power of a kind and beautiful heart.